Hi guys, in today's episode I'm very excited to bring to you the M1 MacBook Pro, the base one with 256 gigabyte internal storage. Now there's no difference in the physicality of this Mac other than obviously not having the 4 ports. However, the 2 ports that are on here have 2 buses, whereas the old one had 4 ports with 2 buses. So it's the same thing. The speed would be the same. To celebrate the exciting release of the M1 chip, I am excited to announce to you that today we are celebrating at Honest Straightforward Reviews our 100th episode. And what a beautiful way to present it to you in first time Dolby Vision HDR. I hope you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get this unboxing underway. Welcome to Honest Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased reviews that are self-funded by me. Okay, now guys, all right, this is the box. Okay, not much difference in there. I would have liked to see it either smaller or with better airflow. However, this is it. Now I asked them if they had the 16 gigabyte version, RAM version, but they didn't, so I'm stuck with this one. So let's get this unboxing underway. So first of all, you've got this beautiful little tab that you can use to unbox the laptop and all of Apple's devices. No longer do you have to have a knife or a scissor somewhere or something to cut with. Okay, let's get this box opened up. All right, now that's the MacBook. I'll get this out of the way first. This is the silver. I just wanted to get the silver. All right, so that's the internals of the box. Very soft to touch. You get the booklet with it, just as a normal MacBook Pro. Well, not a normal Mac, like a MacBook Pro. You've got all the warranty and you've got double stickers with it as well. You've got the 2-meter USB-C to USB-C cable. And you also get a 61 watt charger, which you don't get with the normal MacBook Air. You get only a 30 watt with that one. All right, yeah, that's the beautiful laptop there. All right, let's open it up. I usually don't like to just go in. I usually like to open it up like this. So there you go. That's the honest, straightforward way of opening it up. All right, so you've got the back, which is exactly the same. You've got the 2 USB ports with 2 buses on this side. You've got the vent here. And with the 16-inch, you get 2 vents here, but with the 13, you still don't. I would have liked to see some. You've got the headphone jack on this side. Ooh, that's a bit of a scruff there. This is a brand new laptop and that's scruffed. Okay. Oh well. All right, now let's open it up. Okay, it turns on, so it's got battery. And that's the screen protection. There you go, guys. That's the unboxing. You have basically the same sort of screen, button layout, exactly the same, Touch ID, and also the bar there as well. It comes with Big Sur. Good to go. All right, let me know in the comments what you thought about the unboxing. So I will be doing a comparison between the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the Intel processor and the M1 side by side, and just the physical differences and how they look, and I will also be testing them out as well. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.
If you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe, give it a like, and follow us on Patreon as well, and support us to see more content. Thank you. Bye.